Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a 74 Pontiac Trans Am, the red, white, and blue edition. That's not an official edition, but it's got the red, white, and blue, so I'm calling it the red, white, and blue edition. This is a body off the frame, restored, numbers match, 455 air, very well optioned car, very nice car. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale, so visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 455 Trans Am. Real nice car, restored probably about the year 2000. I do have a photo album. It's a clean rust-free car to begin with. It was sold new in Alabama, and I have pictures here of the restoration down to just a bare shell of a body. No chassis, no interior, no glass, just a bare shell. So they took it all the way down and restored it, did a real nice job. I'm here to tell you the car is really a good car. Couple minor imperfections. It's not a perfect car, but it's a really good car. I drove it home, comfortable, drove straight, just performed, handled, functioned really nicely. I guess we'll start back here. Rubber bumpers painted satin black, and that's all real nice. This whole area is actually pristine, looks really good. The reverse light lenses, brake lenses. There's a hairline crack right here. Literally looks like a hair. The metal is really good. It has the dimples all along here, perfectly clean original metal. Even up underneath, the little drain holes are not rusted, they're not cut out, not patched. So all underneath here is original dimples, clean original metal. It has a hairline crack, barely starting. They all crack here. I purposely looked here to see if it had it, and it's not even really poking through the surface yet. All that's excellent. Doors are mint. There's no bubbles along the bottom. It's all smooth. All the paint is smooth and glossy. The decal looks new. Look how square the hood fits. This is mint. The grills are mint. The emblem's mint. The black rubber. This filler piece, I had one where it was all broken up. That one's mint. Chrome bezels. And again, it all fits really nicely. The spoilers look really good. Everything here, it all looks really nice. All metal. Smooth, clean, no bubbles, fits nice. The windshield's crystal clear. This has the optional moldings. The rubber seal up here is excellent. Nice soft rubber. The weather strip's real nice. Barely noticeable. Got some little pimpling right here. Not all over, but just right there. Hairline crack right here. Just a tiny, tiny hairline. Real clear window. Nice trim. Inside, it all looks really nice. The trim, everything's clean. It has two 6x9 speakers. Honeycomb wheels. I love the honeycombs. If I had one of these cars, I'd have to have those wheels on there. Real nice shape. BF Goodrich tires are like new. Gentleman I got it from was a private guy. I didn't buy this through an auction or anything. He had it serviced at Tri-Power Automotive. They work on old cars. So the car's been gone through thoroughly and maintained and looked over and in real nice shape. Said the body was off the frame, so the underneath looks really good. The floors are rust-free, clean metal, painted satin black. You look up at the motor, the oil pan is painted that Pontiac blue. The starter, the flywheel cover, all looks fresh. The number matching Turbo 400 is fresh looking. The vacuum modulator, the shift cable, the speedometer cable, all that stuff's clean. Has the original 308 posi rear end in the back. Dual exhaust is excellent. and it does go into that transverse, the sideways mounted muffler, but it looks like a Flowmaster custom muffler, and it's got the really nice tailpipes coming out. So underneath the car is super clean. The emergency brake cable, its disc in front, drum in back. The red interior really looks good. Inside the trunk, all super clean metal. Does have a Rally 2 wheel with a Goodyear Eagle ST tire, never been used, for a spare. All the metal's nice, painted a gray spatter finish. The jack is mounted up underneath there the way it should be. Wiring looks nice. The weather strip looks new. Trunk light works. The sticker's new. So beautiful trunk compartment. Inside the car is super nice. It's all nice, clean, tidy. Fits nice, but there's a few imperfections. Right here, there's a little tear. This pulls on the seat. There's a little tear at the corner. And at one of the seams on the bottom, you don't even see it, but you can spread it apart. One of the seams are split. It comes together so you don't notice it. And I love these seats. They're so comfy. Door panels are mint. The dash area is really nice. Number match, VIN number match 455, and we even went as far as checking casting codes and dates. It's all complete. All the ductwork off the shaker hood scoop, the vacuum lines, everything looks proper, fresh, the way it should be. Cadmium plated brake booster, the master looks new, washer bottle, the shroud, batteries bolted down, has the overflow bottle, factory air conditioning is all complete. Everything's nice, the brackets and the air conditioning box on the firewall is the raw fiberglass, not painted over. So yeah, look at the door jambs, super clean. The rubber's real nice. Door panels are mint. Nice red carpet with red carpeted embroidered floor mats. Headliner is excellent. Dome light works. So the dash pad fits real nice. It is a tilt wheel. The formula wheel's the original. It's got some dry cracks in it. It's soft. It's not torn up, or there's no chunks missing, but there's a little crackling. Power windows, rear window defroster. It does have an aftermarket stereo. The console's real nice. Where'd I put the key? Probably left it back here. I should know, I've done enough of these videos. Runs nice. Like I said, I did drive it home. Very clean, tidy car, ready to go to any car show and do real well. It's not at that concourse $100,000 level, but it's really nice. The squirters are hooked up. Fits perfectly square. I think any collector, even a Pontiac Trans Am collector, would be impressed with this car. How nice that shuts. The shaker hood is not cut or drilled. It's the way it's supposed to be. Back seat's real nice. All the plastic's nice. It's all one color. It's not a whole bunch of mismatched colors. The very top of the console door is a little bit discolored, but everything else matches real nice. Comes with all the Pontiac historical papers too. They're on the seat. I forgot to hold them up, but there'll be pictures on our website. Visit volocars.com to get all the specs. Plenty of ways on there to contact our sales staff. I gave you my impression of the car. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They can also help with financing and delivery. So there you have it. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.